Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If it is the first time here, welcome. Ich heiße Maureen. My name is Maureen. First of all, I've just cleaned my pretty face. Now who born this fine girl? Oh, just clean my face and let it dry, patted it dry, and then let it to dry, and then afterwards now we go in with our charcoal mask. Yep. Just look at the way it comes out. Yeah. Oh damn. You need to apply like enough. If you shy away from like using it, oops, I don't want it pouring out. So I'm going to start off with the most affected areas. Not even affected, but you should always start off with the most affected areas of your face. But I don't know, I just like starting off with my cheeks. Today I feel like I'm messy. Look at the way I'm applying on my whatever. You can also use like a brush to like apply it. Oh my goodness, is that my stomach making noises? And I've just eaten chapati and some sweet stew, an African meal. Now who bought this white gallo? Okay, you shouldn't talk too much anyway, because at the moment it starts drying, that's when you should shut your mouth. So seems like the amount that I placed is not quite enough. Don't worry if I look this side or that side. Those are the places where my mirror is at. Let me just try and place it here. Actually, I have been applying this thing for the longest time. Forehead. This is where the sun usually hits. Like, you know what? I'm telling you, the sun doesn't joke when it comes to this part of the face. Maybe I was given all of it. When others were being given something else, I was given the forehead. But anyway, I just feel I feel cool with it. No, look at that. This, oh my goodness, I enjoy doing this. I don't know, it's because I enjoy the results or just the feeling that comes with actually just removing it. So right now we let it dry, and remember, the more you stay with it, the more dry and the more it will stick onto your skin. The more you stay with it, the more it will stick onto your skin. The less you stay with it, the less it will move, because like right now, if I was to like just remove it, you see, I'll not have that impact. So let it dry, and yeah, at that time, the moment you feel like your face is all together, even opening your mouth is like a problem, now you'll have known that yes, it's about time. And as we wait for it to dry, remember, this one, it smoothens the skin, it cleanses pores, it brightens skin, purifies skin, you know, just opening of the pores helps a lot, you know, you're doing away with pimples, acne, all those stuff, and you want those whiteheads, blackheads all gone. So let's give it some time, and then we'll peel it off together. Yeah. So it's drying, and as it's drying, I told you I am uploading this particular upload, and remember, I can always so we're still uploading. And actually, I've just come across a video that I did like 2 years ago. You should actually go out there and watch my content. I have been on this journey for quite some time now, and the money on that video, actually that video gave me 8k views only in 2 years. And there's another one I have just uploaded like 9 hours ago, and it has given me so far 9 views. You can imagine 1 view per hour. Oh my goodness, when, dear God, when? Anyways, I believe good things will come. It's been 2 years plus on YouTube. Anyway, I'm not here to lament and everything. We're here to feel nice and pretty. I feel okay. Actually, you can notice that my talking is not like meow 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 meow. It's not meow 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 meow. No, it's because, you know, it is drying up, and we do not want it to burst before it has done its work. So you should give it more time. So like right now, I can make the movements. If I do home, it will like, no, actually I like come off, okay? Okay. I don't know if you can hear those sounds of it. No, it's time to peel it off. You always do like, you should like start from down here. Oh my goodness. Akikama kuna kautam. If there's some sweetness, I feel it's the pain that comes with removing this thing, but it's sweet pain. Yeah, sounds like a cycle, but you know. Ouch. The more you stay with it, the more painful. But the sweeter the pain. It's like sweet pain, according to me. Ouch. My goodness, like it feels nice. So listen to the sound. I don't know where. Okay, at least it looks like a masking did. This time round we've done it well. We've done it well. It should go up. Ooh. Look at the way my nini looks. My forehead. I don't know if you can see. So there is a mask. Oh wow. Let's see if we have done zero work or endured pain for no reason. But it's never for no reason. You can always see like some whiteheads. Always, like if you do it right, it will always work for you. Actually enjoy doing that. Let me see if I can show you some. Where was it? Here. Even if we never had so much on the forehead, you can still see some like whitish. I don't know if it can be seen. And then let's see on the cheeks, where I normally feel like on these sides I really like working on them. I don't know if you can see them, but there are some white stuff because we're opening them pores. And you see now my face here looks like, yeah. So guys, that is how you do it to get such an amazing mask as mine. Remember to watch my other videos on skin and beauty and everything nice, that lifestyle, and also subscribe for more, for we'll be trying different things together until we get to know what really works for everyone. Okay, and I also do different reviews and tutorials, so make sure that you watch that too. And I don't know if I should give someone this mask of mine. Yeah, okay. I don't know if you've seen those things. I don't know if the camera has shown you, but yeah, they are here. So what afterwards, I can choose to stay like that, but because of the pulling of the skin, I opted for, wow, I really love what I'll do with this thing. Oh, it's no, yeah, hair. Side, oh baby hair. And after this, you just apply some moisturizing oil, and then apply some moisturizing oil. I'll choose to stay like that, and then you can watch more of my videos.